Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I show you how to make the lamb shank. First we will put one piece lamb shank, garlic, white onion, celery, carrot, butter, extra virgin olive oil, bay leaf, thyme, rosemary, tomato paste, mustard paste, Worcestershire sauce, black pepper, paprika, salt, beef stock water, mashed potato, baby carrot, broccolini, baby corn. Now we are start. First we will put the olive oil in the pot. Then we put the lamb shank. Put black pepper and salt. You keep little bit custard. So we will remove now. Put the butter, garlic, little bit mixing. Then we will put the white onion. Put the all herbs, carrot, celery, little mixing. We are mixing little bit of it. Now we put some mustard paste. Economic mixing. Tomato paste we will put now 3 spoons. Salt, black pepper, Worcestershire sauce, beef stock water. Now we are mixing very well. We will add water more. This water not enough. So we have to keep that lamb rack in the top of the water. We add some paprika powder. Now we put it. Then we add some water. Now we will close properly and we will put in the oven. Oven we are cook 100 degrees Celsius 2 hours. Now we are opening. See, almost done. Now we are sorting the vegetable on the side garnishing. We put some butter and our vegetable with the salt and black pepper. Now we go into the presentation. First we will put the half potato. We will put in the ring. Now we remove. Then we put lamb shank. Put the baby carrot, baby corn, Pest, Broccolini, put rosemary for a garnish, radish, cucumber, carrot. Roll we are making before for just presentation. Put cherry tomato, we have fried. We put the black pepper and rock salt, top in the pot in the sauce. Almost done our dish. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you for another new video. Take care. Bye bye.